Guys, good morning. What's up guys? Nakatata sa mag-harvest na sa atong small garden guys. So guys, balikan nyo guys. Muna ako small garden guys. Hmm. Small garden. Alugbati. Ha? Harvest ni guys. Kamuti tops. Small garden ako guys. Okay guys. Kamuti tops. Ha? Ayan mga alugbati. Kamuti tops ako guys. Tanggalin guys. Tanggalin. So, guys, that's it for now. Like, share, and follow.